Hello, greetings from Calcutta. This is Raja Shomajit Das here for AE1110x for the flight testing of our longitudinal stable glider design. I came up with this project for certain purposes like studying the different parameters for design of package inside the prototype. As you can see, this is Maidan, Calcutta, totally green, and I don't think you can notice, but it is totally a swamp right now because it has been raining for the last 24 hours. So I don't think we want our flyer to land up in the swamp. It's a huge place during the springtime. It is quite beautiful out here. I would like to go into the assembly of the prototype. Let's see what happens next. Hi there. Before I go into the assembly, I want to go through the components of the design. This was the prototype 1 wing which I designed. It's a stress skin paper monocore construction. This truss you see, it's a wing box design where I have used layers of paper in geometry to come up with this wing airfoil design. It is not a NACA design. You can say I did it by looking at it. I'm not sure if it's going to fly or not. Anyways, this is a simple shaft I have used as the airframe. I used a crude system so that I can use it in a manipulative way so that the design is not frozen and I can move things around and balance the aircraft right. The green thing you see here is clay, plasticine, which I use as a load, which I can take in, out, as well as put back in. This matchbox, I don't encourage smoking, but is for giving the tail section a bit of height over the airframe. Coming to this new airfoil design, this is also the same type of construction, but it has a higher span compared to its predecessor. You can see comparing those designs. And this is the tail airfoil. Constructing them, we can go through different packages. As you can see, it's evening out here. Winds almost none, so I'll have a headwind problem. Airspeed is minimum. This is the model constructed, and I'm not sure how it's going to react while flying. Off the record, I want to do a flight test and see if things are functioning properly. This is the flight test. It has been nosediving, but I don't know why. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1, go. Going for another try. Looks like the nose is heavy. For the second flight, I have moved things around. It has become a canard configuration. Don't know what is going to happen. CG has moved a bit back, forward rather. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi. That was a brief flight. I have to find some assistance because managing this bag, carrying the aircraft components, the cam, and trying to make this thing fly alone is quite a bit of a challenge. Secondly, the light has fallen and it's not favorable for here. It's not favorable to be around here. So I would continue the flight testing tomorrow, but I would be posting this video for a simple fact that the canard configuration of the aircraft flew for around 7 seconds or 5, around 5. I have to cross verify. But with the conventional aircraft, it was just around 3 seconds. It's quite obvious that the weight in the front is too high, and I hope the system I have to devise for its propulsion is going to be different. Let's hope everything is fine. And see what I was talking about, that is what the under the grass. I really need a camera operator because to manage the whole flight testing alone, it's pretty tiresome. You can see I'm sweating. It's around 35 degrees Celsius at least out here. Humid around 97%. Not the best conditions for flight because air density is a big problem, because I'm not getting the kind of headwinds I was expecting. I have to come back in the afternoon tomorrow, but I would be posting this video today for AE1110x. You guys are really a good mentor, and it was a challenge. I was up through all the night trying to come up with the design. I still have the assignments to complete. The last week, that 25th is the submission. Thanks. Best of luck to all the guys and girls who are going through this course. All the best.